You know what? Today's a beautiful day, you know?
Yeah, it is.
Hell!
Oh, man, what the heck, dude?
Hell! I need to do that. Hello, my, I don't know what Kane calls you guys. Anyways, but today is 4th of July, so Kane made a beautiful adventure where you guys can watch fireworks on 4th of July!
Yeah!
Where's Kane? Well, he's busy drinking some tequilas with the moon. Well, what do you mean, dude? He's an AI. Anyways, have fun, guys. Teleport. Whoa, a stick of fire.
Yeah.
Jax, be careful of that, gang. I don't trust you with fire, to be honest, because the last time you had fire, you caught the whole entire place on fire. I'm literally made of lags, dude. You cannot do that, gang.
We're literally made of stuffing.
Yeah, dude, you cannot do that, gang.
What's your name?
Abracadabra, you disappear. Oh man, I thought that would work. Yar, slay. Yar. Let's start dancing. Yeah, just have some fun down there, Jackson. Have some fun. Yeah, be good. Just watch the fire instead of actually catching things on fire. This is so spooky and scary.
You agreed to stay away! I lied.
Okay, let's see what this has in store for us, Jax. That's pretty scary. Holy crap. Wow, it looks amazing on camera. Jax, you're gonna get eaten alive by the fire, gang. Well, guys, I think Jax died. Whip. Oh no. Oh no.
It's still hot.
Oh no, he's dead. Whip.
Okay.
His funeral is gonna be on fire. Oh, he just disappeared, gang. Oh, look, he's all better now. Yay. What a shame. What a shame, boy. Kind of was wishing that he was dead. Jax, be careful, gang. The last time he was trusted with fire, you caught Gagel's mask on fire. Whoa, shiny. There we go, you can see it a little bit better. Where did you get a beer from, Jackson? Oh, that's not good. You shouldn't be having that. My lookers. Jackson. Why do you look like you're goading your going hard? Man. I got some fire in my mouth, gang. Dude, did you seriously just gulp that? Dude, you have to, like, take your time. Dude, do not be that close to it, gang. Move, gang. Whoa, move, gang. Why are you dancing to the fire, gang? A lot of smoke getting into my to my throat hairs.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Jack, seriously, dude, why are you still setting these on fire? Who is entrusting you with fire, gang?
What do you think?
Dude, stop dancing to the fire, gang. Like, stop saying woo to the fire, gang. Move.
Is this the smoker?
Definitely a smoker.
Coming straight this way.
Wait, Jax, bro. Oh, man. Alright, Jax, be careful this time. Oh, it's tripped, gang. Whoa, move.
We doing it, Rags?
Yeah. Oh man, I gotta sit down, gang. I gotta sit down, gang.
Come on, bro, get your butt up.
Stop being mean to me.
Hey, where are we at, on the freaking highway? What's going on here?
Jax, you're gonna get hit by a car.
What's going on here?
Wait, yeah, that van was definitely
I'll be looking over.
very scary.
There we go.
Well, that van was very scary.
All right, here we go. You ready, Rags?
Yeah, I'm ready, gang. Gang. Okay, Jax won.
Oh.
You can barely see anything, gang. I don't know. What are you doing? But move.
Oh, the other one doesn't work.
Steely. You know, fireworks never really look that good on camera, huh? Oh, I just broke the fourth wall. Jax, be very careful with that fire. See, this is why we don't only trust you with fire, gang, because you don't know how to use it.
Yeah, run, run, run.
It's like a fart.
We still need to get big fireworks next year, dude. These little ones are old.
Whoa, this isn't even our, these aren't even our fireworks, gang. This is the ones that Kane made.
Oh, yeah, we gotta have them get some bigger ones.
Yeah, gang. Why is there so many cars, gang? Hey, dude, it looks like we're about to get hit, gang. You wouldn't want that now, would you, Jax?
No, would not.
No.
It took you so long, gang.
Jax was swallowing his beer.
Dude, are you, Jax? I told you to stop drinking, gang.
Enough.
Dude, stop, gang. You're gonna get drunk. And if you are trying to light fireworks drunk, well, I'm not gonna trust you doing that. Please save me from this stupid rabbit. Okay, gang. Gotta be careful.
There comes another one.
Gotta be careful, gang. Dude, hurry up and light it, Jackson.
Let's run.
Ah! Wait. Unlike people in horror movies, we're actually gonna record the cool stuff, even if we're scared.
Yeah.
I just broke the fourth wall again.
What's up?
Why do you got like like blue stuff all over you, gang. Stop laying in the dirt.
We did poppers.
Oh, boy, you have to stop. You have to stop laying in the stuff, dude. Come on. Pretty sure this was all. Jesus! It's a lot closer than you said it would be, Jax. Jax, get over here, dude. You're gonna catch on fire.
Nice.
And I definitely wouldn't want that, you know. I definitely, please catch him on fire. Okay, dude, you gotta set that on fire, gang.
Up, man. There we go. Let's wait for it to blow up.
Dude, no! Move, gang. You don't want to be in the close fire of that, dude. You already got stuff all over you, gang.
Stop trying to hold my hand.
I'm not, dude. I don't like you, gang.
Stop trying to hold my hand, bro.
Stop! I'm pointing at you. I'm pointing at you. Why'd you poke me in the face for, dude? Jax, why'd you line... Hang on, I gotta have to light it, dude. Why'd you line them all up like that? Jax, what are you doing, gang? Jax, what are you doing? Jax! One, dude, one! Ugh, I almost tripped, gang. Dude, you got so much on you, gang. Hey, I'm definitely giving you a bath.
No!
What do you mean, no? You are taking a bath, mister.
You heard me.
Ow! I'll tell King you hit me. That hurt when you punched me, gang. Dude, hurry up when you're trying to light fireworks, gang. But seriously, dude, look at this. You're getting a bath. Look at that, dude. Spooky, scaly. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
That was scaly.
Finally something cool. Got the lame dogs.
Yeah, dude, I told Kane if he was gonna do fireworks, he gotta get cool fireworks. And what does this dude do? And what does he do? Nothing, dude.
Walmart fireworks.
Walmart fire. You seen him go to Walmart? Do we even have a Walmart in the digital circus? Ugh, little hole right there. Okay, dude, this one looks pretty cool. Light it, gang. Light it. Hurry up, gang. Okay, we're gonna turn off the light so you can see it in full. Oh, it's still. Oh, it's fully right now, gang. No! Dude, why do you have your hand out? Do you want me to hold your hand or something, dude? That's what I thought, gang.
This better get better.
Yeah, dude, seriously, dude. If Kang was not drinking some tequilas with the moon, gang, we would be fine. Why isn't King out here? I'm scared.
Probably. He's old.
He's only 48, gang.
He's old. And bald.
He's not bald! That's literally it, gang. I'm telling you for the content! The content! I would be backing up and wanting and screaming like, no! Jax, you good, gang? Jax? Please be dead. Please be. Ah! God damn it! I thought you were dead. That was kind of cool, I guess, Jax. You know, it's kind of cool.
All right. Hey, you want to go for a swim?
Not Will. I don't want to. Jax, help me! I can't swim! I can't swim! I can't swim!
Get out of there. Ragatha, dude. The joke's over, dude. Get up. Up. Well, see y'all later. Hey, man, you alright?
I'm gonna kill you.
How? You're all wrapped up in a towel.
You're getting a bath! Burrito Jax.